walls which take parts like we discussed the four walls, superior wall, inferior, and two lateral parts, and we discussed the formation of each walls. But today we will going to discuss the nasal cavity opening. Okay, opening of the nasal cavity. Opening, which opening in the nasal cavity we have. Okay, this is a nasal cavity which we know. This is the nasal cavity. Okay, opening in nasal cavity. Interior opening, interior like front, we have previform aperture. Interior opening we have previform permiform aperture. Previform aperture are opening in the interior or interior opening of the nasal cavity. Okay, interior opening of the nasal cavity we have previform aperture, and we have previform aperture we have the lower border of the nasal bones and notches of nasal notches of or incisura nasalis of maxilla bone. These are the incisura or notches which I marked. First we have previform aperture of the nasal cavity. This is the interior opening of the nasal cavity, and this is the previform aperture where is located the incisura nasalis of os maxilla. Okay, nasal notches of the maxilla bone. These are interior opening, very simple. Okay, next we have posterior opening. Posterior opening we have in the back side. You know, posterior in the back side we have like this, and there we have the bone which name is vomer bone. In the posterior side of the nasal cavity we have vomer bone, and these vomer bones are divided the cona. Okay, these are the cona. Posterior, simply we can say posterior we have posterior opening of the nasal cavity we have cona. Okay, posterior opening of nasal cavity we have cona. These are the opening of the nasal cavity which cona, and this cona laterally of the cona we have middle plate of pterygoid process. If you remember the pterygoid, middle plate of pterygoid process of sphenoid bone. Okay, and middle this is the lateral for coni, and this is the middle for coni, because these are the two coni which are middle divided by the vomer bone, and laterally their connection with the middle plate of the pterygoid process. Okay, interior opening we have previform aperture where the nasal notches of the maxilla bone, and posterior they have cona, and cona laterally connection with the middle plate of pterygoid process of sphenoid bone, and middle division by vomer bone. Okay, these are anterior and posterior opening of the nasal cavity, but there's more other opening we have which are opening in the inside the nasal cavity. You know, when we discussed the palatine process of the maxilla bone, if we will discuss this here, this is the upper jaw. Okay, this is the upper jaw which are where the palatine process of the maxilla bone. There we have here in front we have inciso canal, and this openings, more openings in nasal cavity. Okay, interior posterior we discuss. We have inciso canal. There are also opening in the nasal cavity. Then we have here where the pyramid process of the palatine bone. There we have two other opening. We have greater and like in pyramid process of the palatine bones we have greater and lesser palatine foramina arcana. Okay, these are also greater and lesser palatine foramina. These are also opening in the nasal cavity. Okay, these which opening which are in the lower jaw, incisive canal, and greater and lesser palatine foramina which are opening into the nasal cavity. Anterior posterior we discussed previform aperture and cona. They also have no more opening in also in the nasal cavity. Okay, if you remember when we discussed the pterygopalatine fossa, there we have inside pterygopalatine we have sphenopalatine foramen, and sphenopalatine foramen connection when pterygopalatine fossa connection with the nasal cavity by what sphenopalatine foramen. Okay, also we have from the here we have sphenopalatine foramen. Sphenopalatine foramen also opening in the nasal cavity. These are the we can say also we 8 opening in the nasal cavity, 4 from one side and 4 from the other side. Okay, these are the 8 opening in the nasal cavity. Okay, thank you.